This video is from last night. I recorded it for my family while it was still snowing, and at that moment I totally knew I needed a morning after video too. So here it goes.
Almost. So it's still here, right? 16 inches of snow.
My goodness.
And they only predicted for 9
Okay,
inches. This is 16 inches of snow. Hi. Most part of the US was hit by a major winter storm, and it was one of the most dramatic winter storms in about more than like a decade. Connecticut was forecasted for about 6 to 9 inches of snow. Let's go see how many inches of snow did we actually get. I have all of my winter stuff on. I have my boots, my puffer jacket, I have my cap, and I have the warmest gloves that I got. It is Monday afternoon right now, and it has finally stopped snowing. So let's go measure how many inches did we actually get. Okay, I have my inch tape. Oh my God. 24 inches of snow. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. Can you see this? And I have no idea how we're going to be cleaning this much snow.